Welcome to JJ with Joy. Today I'm going to be sharing a flip through of a folio journal. So it's got a journal in the middle and a folio kind of stuff on the outside. The name of this kit is Spring is Here with Junk with Steph on Etsy. It's a kind of just a butterfly floral kit, kind of pretty. And I put a little on the edge. This is made out of 2 file folders, and I will link the video that shows the tutorial for how to make this. It was also, I made this one, so I started on this one. This is the final flip through of it. So let's get into it. There I added just a little bit of tea under here to make dirt, and just added a birdie, and just the purdy it up a little bit. So in here I have just added in parts of the kit. This has a little flip. Now the other one I put a little piece of hook and loop. I keep calling hook and line because I'm thinking fishing. I'm in Minnesota, whatever. And excuse me. There's a few pages of paper here and I did this all live so you could see how I did that part. And then we move on, and I just put April showers bring May flowers. I just kind of let it flow and filled in the blanks with other stuff too. A couple pieces here that are a bingo tiny card and a little playing card that's decorated with the same thing. And I put Bloom Grows, a little pocket there just to keep those in. And once we flip this page over here, it does a flip out. So I just put New Blossoms. This flips out, and you could write all over this and on the backs of, all of the digital pieces, tags and stuff for sure. So I put planting time. That flips this way. There's plenty of writing space because of the small journal that's added in. I did glue this down so it won't flippy flop around. But this is coffee dyed papers, and in each little corner I added just some dots, silver. I did silver and the green that's in the font up here. That was what I just hand wrote, not writ. I stamped it with the same distress ink and little dots down here again with the butterfly. It's all the same type of paper. It's very crinkly, wrinkly. I really like the crinkle wrinkle of that. Now it does have a couple of these in it, and both of them are the same. They have a little card inside, and I just flipped that over on the page and added a paper clip. You could add a string on this if you wanted, but I didn't. I just left it as is to make it more simple. The more you add to a journal of a folio type, the less that you will be able to close it. So I was trying to avoid, trying to close that up. I added a little bit of dashes under here so it would not it has to sit on something, right? Oops, I didn't add dots in there. I'll go back and do that with my silver pen. I thought there was a page I missed. And a little belly band. And I made just a faux brads. Faux brads by adding in just a little bit of the silver. And again, this one, it won't topple out. It'll just go on and in that corner edge there. A little bit big for it, but it's all right. More dots up here. Just tried to do a little bit on each page. I wrote springtime on that. That's glued down. And this is the second one with the same kind of thing in there. Little lines with dots down on the bottom here. I like the circles, but I put little dots around it. If you can see, I just put the little dots around it. We have a little Rolodex card, and I love these. These would be cute if you added a real eyelet on it, but I'm trying to keep things flat, so that's why I didn't. Bingo card and a tag in this pocket here. Some more squares down there. This is just a side tuck, just side tuck. It kind of looks like a little envelope when it, oops, skipped a page. more dots up there, and this down here. Now this will, didn't open up, sorry. This is like the last page. Now I did just tape this in, so it is a tip in. And these are off center. I didn't measure, so they are a little off. Sorry about that, but you know, they're just double-sided, and I said it's a great day. Wrote that in green as well as silver on there. Get that in there. Perfect, perfect, perfect. And then on this page, the same, and it says summertime favorites. Even though it's a spring, I added a little summertime thing in there. I put my little label on there, and then I put this book is property of, so you could add your own name. And that is it. So I thank you very much for joining me today. I hope you like it. If you do, give me a thumbs up and share and ring the bell and, you know, subscribe, do all that jazz. So until next time, have a great day, and I will see you then. Remember, your day is full of choices, so choose joy. Bye for now.